Hello class 9, good morning. In our last class, we started chapter 6, mathematical library methods. In this chapter, what we discussed last day, that there are two types of Java function, user-defined function and the library or built-in function. And these library functions are two types, mathematical function and a string function. In this class, we are going to discuss only the mathematical function, the function which works to do the mathematical calculation. And string functions will do in class 10. So these mathematical functions are part of math class. That's why this function always begins with the math. And this math class is a part of the package name java.lang language. So what is the package name? For the math class, the package name for the math class is java.language, and it is a default package. Once again I explain what is a default package. So no need to import it in the beginning of the program like import java.util. No need to import like this, because it is default package means it is automatically used in our program, imported in our program, and this is the only one package which is default in Java. Okay, in our last class we discussed the math.min function. Math.min function is used to return the smallest value out of 2. Which one? The smallest value out of 2. The opposite of math.min is the math.max function. It is vice versa of math.min. The min function is used to return the smallest number out of 2, smaller one, and math.max function is used to return the bigger one out of 2. Okay. So what is the difference? This function is used to find the maximum of 2 given arguments. It is used to find the maximum of how many given arguments? Only 2, not more than 2. It returns a value depending upon the arguments. That means its data type. Its data type will be depending on what value it returns. If it returns an integer value without fractional part, without decimal, then the data type will be int. If it returns the decimal value, fractional number, then data type will be float or double. If it returns long type or short type, then accordingly the data type will be there. So that's why this data type is not decided, and it takes upon the return value from here. So the math function is used to find the maximum of 2 given arguments. What is syntax? Syntax is first data type. First you have to give the data type, then variable name equal to assignment operator, then the class math. Class math name will be capital because it is a class name, dot max, and in the bracket argument 1 comma argument 2. The argument 1 is the first number and argument 2 is the second number. Argument 1 is the first number and argument 2 is the second number, and then semicolon. This argument will be within the bracket. This will be within the bracket. Let's see the example. Int n equal to math.max 6 comma 10. So you decide 6 comma 10. First number is 6, second number is 10. So which one is the bigger? Which one is the greatest one? The bigger is the 10. So value of n will be 10. What will be stored? 10. Okay. Second, double d equal to math.max 14.7 and 10.4. So see, this time return type is double, not the int. Why? Because the arguments are double type. So return value will be double. So we have first argument 14.7, second one 10.4. Which is bigger? 14.7 is bigger. So the value of d will be 14.7. Value of d will be 14.7. Okay. Third example, double v equal to math.max minus 65.48 comma minus 99.65. Now tell me which is the bigger. So the negative number, the smaller number is bigger. Smaller number is bigger. So what will be the output? Output will be minus 65.48 because this is the bigger than minus 99.65. Okay. So its data type is double. Now it's clear. Next function, the function third is mat.pow power function. It is used to give the value of exponent form, like a to the power n. If there is any number in the exponent form, in the power form, so that can be calculated by mat.power function. Okay, this function is used to find the value of the index of a number. Here a is the number and n is the index. The n is called index or power. So this function is used to find the value of the index of a number. Once again, I make it clear. The number is a and the power value is called the index. So index of a number expressed in the exponential form. In which form? Exponential form. So if any number is in the exponent form, we can calculate the value by mat.pow function. It always returns our result in the double data type. So it is not like a max or min function. In the min or max function, the return data types is decided according to return value, but this is fixed. So in this case, the return data type is always double, and if there is no fractional part, then also 0.0 is added. So mat.power function is used to find the value of the index of a number expressed in the exponential form, and it always returns a result in the what data type? Double data type. What is syntax? First data type, then variable name, then mat.pow power, then number 1, comma number 2. Here number 1 is the base, and number 2 is the index or power. So this n is the number 2 and this a is the number 1. Okay. So number 1 is the base and number 2 is the index or power. See the first example. Data type is double, always. In the case of mat.power function, data type will be always double only. So double b equal to mat.power 2, 4. So 2, 4 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Correct? It's 2 power 4. Alright. So 2 is the number and 4 is the index. So 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, and 8 into 2, 16. So what will be output? Output will be 16.0. 16 comes, but 16.0 will be taken because it is double. Return type is double. Second, double v equal to mat.power 3, 2. The 3, 2 means the base is 3, number is 3, and the index or power is 2. It means 3 into 3. The 3 into 3, 9. So output will be 9.0. What will be output? Output will be 9.0. So in today's class, we have discussed two mathematical functions. First one was mat.max function. It is used to return the maximum number, the bigger number out of two arguments. Okay, its return type depends on the data type, it returns the value. And second function we discussed, that is the mat.power function. This function is used to find the value in exponent form. Exponent form is power form. Here the number is called the base, or it is called the number, and power is called the index or power. And its return type is always double. Learn both the function. Thank you.